Hello everybody and welcome to another exciting episode of Resto-Rob. Today we've got S-wrenches. So these are the Bonney S-wrenches that I have. I went through, cleaned them all up this weekend. Did some gun bluing on some of them and just cleaned up a couple. So this was the latest edition. This is 7/8 OC or 3 3/4 OC, or this is 11/16 SAE, and they didn't give me an SAE on this one. Could probably look it up, but it says 85505. So I'll show you how I clean this one up. This came from dirt over at Leader. We had no idea what it was until I scraped it down. So we got ourselves a nice big Bonney. Let's go off to the wire wheel and see what we can do. Hitting it with the wire wheel and the sanding disc. We got quite a bit of the rusting off, minus the edges. We'll have to do that maybe with the Dremel tomorrow. Yeah, so we got it down as far as we're gonna really sand too much, but yeah, here we go. How cool is this? So this is some hard ass steel. I didn't want to go too far on this. I'm still kind of working on these edges. I don't know how far I want to go with it. I'm currently getting it on the 1x30. Yeah, this is mostly, I started the 1x30. A little bit of angle grinding, and I think a lot of this is just going to get blued to hide these pits. Yeah, some of this stuff is pretty deep, and it's just not wanting to. I mean, these pits, it's a tired old Bonney wrench that's going to hang on the wall and look like he'd retired for the rest of life. So, but we'll do it up, make it look good. Our 505 or 85, I don't know what that designation is, which is 7/8 OC by 3/4 OC, or 11/16 SAE. Bonney 500, original Bonney logo, 1/2 inch by 3/8. Bonney 500, original with the B shield, or with the shield, 500, 3/8 by 1/2 inch. We're going through the 500s. 1/2 inch by 3/8. 500 with a boogered up logo. Another 500. The Bonney HR. This is a 501, 5/8 by ½ inch with the original Bonney logo. Here we have a 502, 3/4 by 5/8. This is a 503, original Bonney, 7/8 by 3/4. (504A), 15/16 by 1 inch. We've got our 504. Why it was stamped this way, I don't know. 1 inch by 7/8. Mac Daddy, Bonney Mac. 5/8 by 9/16 with the Mac logo. Another Mac. It's a 79-S, which is 5/8 by 9/16. A little tiny Bonney, number 70, 3/8 by 7/16. Here we have a 1071 Bonney, ½ inch by 9/16 chrome vanadium. And then our Textile Machine Works Bonney 864E, 9/16 by 5/8, original Japanning. This is also Textile Machine Works. This is also a Textile Machine Works. This is original Japanning. All I did was kind of clean it up. It's 1.25 inches by 1.16 inches, and it is 866C. So here is the Bonney drop forward wrench. This display is the 500, 502, 504. Come down here, and this is the 34, 31, 29. So you got your 25, 23, and 21. So I'm missing a couple of these little ones. But yeah, I'm gonna clean these up. And then I need to build another display right here to put the rest of the S-wrenches, which are gonna live right here for right now. Well, everybody, what'd you think of the S-wrenches? Pretty proud of them. And did you guys like them? I know I love them all, so I don't really have a favorite. So as always, stay safe, and we will check you later. Check you later. Check you later. Check you later. Who says that?
Check you later.